automotive Dr. Motor Garage, where we are located in Karen, Lamata Road, opposite Mazoli House. This is marking the 17th year in the industry. And recently, we won the Best Automotive Repairers 2022. I'm very passionate and dedicated to excellent workmanship. And my specific specialty is European cars, that Mercedes, that Audi, that BMW and Land Rover. Why? Because we will educate you, car owner, the costly mistakes car owners make, like driving with the malfunction light on the dashboard, secrets to car long life, by keeping up with manufacturers' recommended maintenance schedule. It can save you a lot of money in the long run. And number 3, solution plus restoration proof. We come up with a budget, a plan on how to give you that smooth and reliable drive. Automotive Doctor, where we are, you are smooth and reliable experts.
Hello? Oh yeah, it's back online. Dan Laman, man, that place is nice. And when you go there, they serve you tea, coffee, there's free internet, there's, you know, karibu get data. So it's something you should try. All you ladies who try those speakers, make sure you hook up with him. And he left before I got